There was a time when a simple cake meant more than just dessert. During the Second World War, British families baked with whatever they could find at home. Apples, a little flour, butter, sugar. And a simple dessert was born that is now loved all around the world. And we think it tastes best with beautiful Hungarian apples. 1 kilo apples fresh and bright, peel and slice them nice and light. 80 grams of sugar fall, cinnamon brings warmth to all. 1 spoon lemon juice goes in, a little vanilla joins the spin. Mix it gently, take your time, sweet apple fragrance fills the night. Crumble falls, the apples wait, sweet aromas drift away. Golden brown and tempting too, every bite is calling you. 200 grams of flour for 100 brown sugar joins it all. 120 cold butter too makes the crumble soft and true. Work it gently with your hands, crumbly texture is the plan. Walnuts, almonds if you like, oats can join the song tonight. 180 degrees, the oven glows, soon that golden flavor grows. Lay the apples row by row in a buttered baking tray below. Scatter crumble evenly, cover every apple carefully. 35 or 40 minutes more, crispy crumble worth waiting for. Crumble falls, the apples wait, sweet aromas drift away. Golden brown and tempting too, every bite is calling you. A simple English recipe made with Hungarian apples, crispy crumble, juicy fruit, and 1 cold scoop of vanilla ice cream. Loved all around the world, but we think it still tastes best with Hungarian apples.